Right now, in July 2026, NASA has 7 active missions searching for alien life. And 3 of them are focused on locations less than 1 billion miles away from where you're sitting right now. We're not talking about little green men. We're talking about the most profound discovery in human history. And it could happen in your lifetime. Because here's what nobody's telling you. The search for alien life has completely transformed in the last 5 years. We're not just looking anymore. We're finding evidence. In this video, I'm breaking down the 7 exact locations where scientists are hunting for extraterrestrial life, the technology making it possible, and why some experts think we're only years away from first contact. By the end, you'll understand why 2026 might be remembered as the turning point. Let's dive in. Location number 1, Europa, Jupiter's mysterious moon covered in ice. But under that ice, an ocean twice the size of all of Earth's oceans combined. NASA's Europa Clipper mission launched in 2024 and is now halfway to Jupiter. It will arrive in 2030 with instruments specifically designed to detect signs of life. Here's why scientists are obsessed with Europa. It has liquid water, organic compounds, and energy sources. The 3 ingredients for life as we know it. Location number 2, Enceladus, Saturn's tiny moon that's basically a giant water fountain shooting material from its subsurface ocean directly into space. NASA's Cassini spacecraft literally flew through those plumes in the 2010s and detected organic molecules, hydrogen, and energy sources. Everything needed for microbial life. A proposed Enceladus Orbalander mission could launch in the early 2030s. It would land on the surface and analyze fresh ocean material for definitive biosignatures. Location number 3, Titan, Saturn's largest moon with lakes, rivers, and rain. Except it's not water. It's liquid methane and ethane. NASA's Dragonfly mission launches in 2028. It's a nuclear-powered drone that will fly across Titan's surface, sampling different locations for signs of prebiotic chemistry or even life. Titan might host life completely different from Earth. Life based on liquid methane instead of water. If we find it, it rewrites everything we know about biology. Location number 4, exoplanets with atmospheric biosignatures. As of July 2026, we've confirmed over 6,000 planets orbiting other stars. The James Webb Space Telescope is analyzing their atmospheres, looking for combinations of gases that only life could produce. Oxygène primethane, phosphine, dimethyl sulfide. In 2024, Webb detected potential biosignature gases on K2-18b, a planet 120 light-years away. The data is still being analyzed, but if confirmed, it's game over. We're not alone. Location number 5, Mars. Yes, we're still searching Mars. And for good reason. NASA's Perseverance rover has been collecting samples since 2021 and has now gathered 30 tubes of Martian rock. These samples could contain fossilized microbial life from billions of years ago when Mars had liquid water. The Mars Sample Return mission, planned for the 2030s, will bring these samples back to Earth where scientists can analyze them with equipment 1,000 times more sensitive than anything on Mars. But here's the kicker. Perseverance has also detected organic molecules and seasonal methane spikes. On Earth, 95% of methane comes from living organisms. Location number 6, Venus, the planet with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. While we look there, because in 2020, scientists detected phosphine in Venus's atmosphere. Phosphine is a gas that, on Earth, is only produced by life or industrial processes. Venus doesn't have factories. The data sparked massive debate. Some scientists think it's a false positive. Others think microbial life could exist in Venus's cloud layers where temperatures are Earth-like. NASA is now planning multiple Venus missions for the 2030s to settle this once and for all. Da Vinci will drop through the atmosphere, analyzing chemistry all the way down. Location number 7, the galaxy itself. SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, is scanning billions of stars for technosignatures. We're not just looking for radio signals anymore. Scientists are searching for laser pulses, industrial pollution in exoplanet atmospheres, and megastructures like Dyson spheres. In 2026, the Breakthrough Listen project is using the world's most powerful telescopes to survey 1 million nearby stars. They're analyzing petabytes of data using artificial intelligence. And we've already found weird signals. The WOW signal from 1977. Fast radio bursts that repeat with mathematical precision. BLC-1 from Proxima Centauri in 2020. Most turn out to be natural phenomena or human interference. But it only takes one genuine signal to change everything forever. Now here's what makes all of this so revolutionary. We used to think life required Earth-like conditions. Warm temperatures, liquid water, sunlight. But in the last 20 years, we've discovered extremophiles on Earth. Microbes living in boiling acid. Bacteria thriving in Antarctic ice. Organisms surviving in the crushing depths of the ocean with no light. Life is tougher and more adaptable than we ever imagined, which means the habitable zone is way bigger than we thought. If microbes can survive in Earth's harshest environments, they could absolutely exist in Europa's ocean, or Enceladus's hydrothermal vents, or even Venus's clouds. And that's just in our solar system. There are 40 billion Earth-sized planets in habitable zones in the Milky Way alone. Let that sink in. 40 billion chances for life just in our galaxy. And there are 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. The famous Drake equation estimates there could be thousands to millions of intelligent civilizations in our galaxy right now. And we're finally developing the technology to detect them. So why haven't we found anything definitive yet? That's the Fermi paradox. If life is so probable, where is everybody? Some scientists think civilizations destroy themselves before achieving interstellar travel. Others think space is simply too vast. Intelligent life exists, but we're separated by distances too enormous to cross. Or maybe we're just early. The universe is 13.8 billion years old, but stars will keep forming for trillions of years. Maybe humanity is one of the first intelligent species. But here's my take. I think we're about to find microbial life within the next 10 to 15 years. Probably in our own solar system. Europa or Enceladus are my bets. Intelligent life? That might take longer. But with James Webb analyzing thousands of exoplanets and SETI's expanding search, we're casting the widest net in human history. If this video blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe to your Space Wizard. We're covering every major space discovery as it happens in 2026 and beyond. Drop a comment with your prediction. Will we find alien life in your lifetime? I'm reading every single one. The search for alien life isn't just about finding aliens. It's about understanding our place in the cosmos. Whether we're alone or surrounded by life, the answer will fundamentally change what it means to be human.